Okay guys, today is time for another one of those always wanted YouTube washing machine videos. And today we're gonna show you a new thing that comes in handy to know. Well, let's assume that you filled up your washing powder tray with softening agent and washing powder, and you turn on the machine like I just did there. I have the 60-minute program, or 60 degrees Celsius program as 2 hours and 45 minutes here now. The door is just being closed. I run it speed perfect, a little bit shorter, and when I hit the button here, you will hear a sound. And that is the door that locked. So at this point, you really can't open the door anymore because the machine will now fill up with water and heat it to 60 degrees. And as a safety measure, if you want to open it now, it's going to be difficult. So I will show you. I turn off the machine here by pressing this button, and it says no. No, I can't open the machine. The hinges are locked. And why would I want to open the machine at this stage? I can then turn it off. I turn it on again quickly, and the machine still doesn't open. Now you can see that it returned to its original program. So I have to start the program again by pressing the speed perfect, getting it down to the same, and started a completely new cycle. However, I still cannot open the door. And why would I want to open the door at this stage? Well, because if we turn around, this is what I forgot to put inside. So, what you need to know how now, and what I'm going to show you, is how you emergency open the door of a Bosch washing machine Logi XX8. Very perfect. All you need is a set of keys like this. So you go down here. We've been here before in another video, and you open this one, this door. This is the door where you check the pumps functioning. But in this door, you can find something else. This little thing. And I will zoom in on it so you can see it's pointing as an arrow. And that's just exactly what it is. It's an arrow, and it's because it's the emergency opening for your door. So I still cannot open the door. The machine is in pause now. As you can see, it's standing here. It hasn't opened. It hasn't even started actually in the new cycle, but I want to put in the rest of my laundry. So I need to take one of my longest, most slim keys like this and put it into that little slot there, and then I push down, and it's kind of a little bit hard, you can see, and now it's pushing down all the way. E61 it says. You can, maybe you heard that, it was a little bit sound there, and that's how I open the door. I pushed down this little thing while I was at the same time using my left hand to open the door hinge. And now the machine is open, and I can put in the rest of the laundry. There's still water in the machine, as you can see. So that's hot water, so don't, well, 60 degrees is not that bad, but you should be aware of it. Now I can close the hinge. This one goes back in its original position automatically by itself. I close that door. I start the program again. And all the laundry is in the machine. So, thanks for watching, guys. Now you know how to emergency open your washing machine with just a regular set of keys. Good luck.